We're going to explain how to rename a sheet in Excel. There are two primary ways to do this: using the Sheet tab directly and using the sheet's properties. 1. Renaming a sheet using the Sheet tab. This is the quickest and most common method. Locate the Sheet tab at the bottom of your Excel workbook. You'll see the sheet names displayed there. Simply double-click the name of the sheet you want to change. This will highlight the current sheet name, allowing you to directly type in the new name. Press Enter after typing your desired name and the sheet will be renamed. It's that simple. Remember to keep your sheet names concise and descriptive for easy organization. Avoid using special characters unless you really know what you are doing. 2. Renaming a sheet using the sheet properties. This method offers more control, especially if you're working with a large number of sheets or need to make changes programmatically. Right-click on the Sheet tab you wish to rename. A context menu will appear. Select Rename from the menu options. Text box will appear over the Sheet tab. Type in your new sheet name and press Enter. This method achieves the same result as the double-click method, but provides an alternative if the double-click method doesn't work as expected for some reason. Offers a clear visual confirmation of the rename process. 3. Important considerations. When renaming sheets, keep these points in mind. First, Excel sheet names have limitations. Avoid very long names as they might get truncated or cause issues when referencing the sheet in formulas or macros. Secondly, ensure that the new name is unique within the workbook. Excel won't let you create duplicate sheet names. If you try to use a name that already exists, you'll receive an error message. Lastly, if you're working with linked workbooks or external references, ensure that your renaming doesn't break these links. If you change a sheet's name that is referenced in another workbook, you'll need to update those references manually to point to the new sheet name to prevent errors in calculations or data retrieval. Always test your workbook functionality after renaming sheets to make sure everything works correctly. Remember to save your workbook after renaming a sheet to preserve the changes. Choosing the right method depends on your preference and the specific situation. However, the first method is generally the easiest and fastest way for most users. Both methods are equally effective in achieving the desired outcome.